How to save Snapchat chats. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So I have three ways for you. The first one, you have to make sure that you go to a friend, of course. I only want just one friend, so I'll go to this one. So from here you have to click on his profile, which is in the left top corner, and then click on those three dots from the right top page. And then from here you want to click to delete chats. And the first method is clicking on the after viewing, and the second one is 24 hours after viewing, so click on that. And then the third method, it's by going back to the conversation, and if you want to save a chat you have to hold down on a message and click on saving chat. So that's it guys, I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can comment down below your thoughts, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, have a great day, bye bye.